Hello dear students, welcome to English class. Beta, today we are going to do unseen comprehension. In this you will find a story which will not be from your book. So that means unseen. It is unseen. So from that story or a paragraph you will be given some question answers. So let's learn how to do this. Read the following passage and tick the correct answer. You will read this following passage. I am reading in this video for you, and you will also read this. First of all, you will write this paragraph in your notebook also. Then you will do MCQs. Let's read the story, and after reading this you will write this in your notebook. John was very lazy. He saw an apple tree. The tree was full of fruits. He wanted to eat an apple, but he did not want to climb. Why he did not want to climb? Because he was lazy. In the very first line you have read that John was very lazy. Sometimes you also become lazy, है ना? When you become lazy, you don't want to do anything. And so he was also not wanted to climb the tree, but he wanted to eat the apple. So he sat down. He was lazy, did not want to climb the tree, so he sat down and started waiting for the fruits to fall down. What he started? He started waiting for the fruits to fall down. That fruits will themselves fall on the ground and he will eat them. But he failed. He didn't succeed. He couldn't eat the fruits. He was lazy, he didn't want to climb, so he sat down and started waiting only. If you will do nothing and you will wait and only wait, then you will not get any kind of fruit or you will not get any results. So one must do some efforts, one must do some work to get something, right? Now let's see. After reading and writing this in your notebook, this passage, what questions you will be asked and how you will perform the answers of that. Let's see. Yes, beta. See, I have written some MCQs. You will also write these in your notebook. First question is, who was lazy? Tell me, who was the character in the story who was lazy? Mona or John? Who was lazy? John. Yes. So you will put a mark of right over here in this box. Second question, which fruit was on the tree? Apple or mango? Yes, it's apple. Did John eat the apple? क्या John ने apple खाया? No. Did he climb the tree? No. Right? So this way. This is called unseen comprehension. You will be given a paragraph, then questions from that paragraph will be asked and you have to choose the correct answer. So beta, you will write this paragraph as well as these question answers in your notebook as classwork. That's all from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.